It's gonna be fun at the Laugh for Life charity concert with MC Abe the Pro, dedicated to the Help Project, taking kids out of the street to school. And with me are Ali Baba, Basot, Godon, TA, Teju Babyface, Benga Adeyinka, Monday, Funny Bone, Odogu, Igos, Holy Mother, Princess, Aktororo, Let Machos Bosse, Yo, Omo Baba, Defined Boy, and DJ Gospel musical performances by Shemwobe, Sammy Okboso, Midnight Crew, Mike Aremubuchi, Kefe, Nikki Laoye, Yinka Davis, Simida Kolo, Annie, Onos, Get Fee, 5,000 Naira flat. Time, 6 p.m. at the Incubator, City of David Road, Lekki. March 25th is the date. Pick up your tickets at any Chocolat Royale outlet and Ouch Couture shops. For further inquiry, call 080-3435-4590 or 070-3078-7538. You better come one and come all, because it's going to be a Bascos Colopios Kato in the Dacoponios. That means you have to come by yourself, for yourself. God bless you.